Today on Make It Mediterranean, Maine meets Calabria with our angry lobster gnocchi. Welcome everyone to another episode of Make It Mediterranean. Eleni, so when I say Maine, what is the first food that comes to mind?
Lobster.
That's right, lobster. So stick with us. We're going to make our angry lobster gnocchi. Maine is going to meet Calabria, Italy, with our chili peppers. We're gonna make it spicy, it's gonna be flavorful, and you guys are gonna love it. So stay with us. All right, so we have our ingredients ready. So we need 1 package of fresh gnocchi, not the dried gnocchi in your aisle. You always wanna use the fresh pasta. It tastes better, it's just got a better texture for you. We also have 1 cup of heavy cream. We have the meat from 1 whole Maine lobster already chucked and cooked. We have 3 tablespoons of parsley that we're gonna need. We have 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of garlic, and a tablespoon, maybe a little bit extra, of our Calabrian chili pepper. That's gonna make it angry for us. That's gonna give us the spice that we want. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna cook our gnocchi, and then we're gonna make our sauce. This is a very easy dish to make, and you guys are gonna love it. So let's get cooking. All right, so to our boiling water, we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt to get the water seasoned so we can season our pasta. Our gnocchi is gonna go right into the boiling water. Be careful, it is hot. And then we are just gonna give it a quick stir so it doesn't stick. All right, and then we're gonna check these in about 6 minutes. Okay, fresh pasta cooks a lot faster than the boxed pastas. So this should be ready in about 5 to 6 minutes. When that's ready, we're gonna drain it. We're gonna let it cool. We're gonna get our sauce together, and it's gonna be primo. All right, now that our gnocchi is floating all up top, our gnocchi is definitely done. We're gonna strain this, and then we're gonna set it aside, and then we're gonna make our sauce, and then we're gonna incorporate everything together, and it's gonna be delicious. I can't wait. All right, next we're gonna get our pan hot, and I know it's Mediterranean, but for the Maine lobster, butter works best. So we're gonna throw a tablespoon of butter in there, and then we're gonna get that all melted up. Careful with the heat. You don't wanna burn your butter. If your butter burns, then you're just gonna toss it and start all over. All right, once our butter is melted, we are gonna add 2 cloves of chopped garlic. We're gonna lower our heat a little bit because we don't want to burn our garlic. Just want to get that nice aroma together. We don't want to brown this too much. We just want to release those beautiful flavors, that nice aroma in our butter. Okay. Then we're gonna add our cup of heavy cream to this. And we're gonna let this simmer for a few minutes. Okay, once we got our simmer going, we're gonna lower the heat again. It's just doing its thing. Got its bubbles going. And now it's time for our Calabrian chilies to go inside as well. Uh-oh, we just made it angry now. Now it's angry. Here we go, and we're gonna give this a mix. It's gonna turn a little bit of color, a little pinkish hue. We got our peppers. All right. Okay, and we are going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this, just to taste. So a little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. There we go, pinch. All right, and then we're gonna add our lobster meat. Oh, baby. That's it. That's when it happens right there. Maine and Calabria getting together, saying hello. And now we're gonna mix all those flavors together. We're gonna let this saute. Nice chunks of lobster. Oh man, I can't wait to taste it. All right, so you see now it's starting to thicken up, which is what we want. Making a mess. And that is gonna be pretty good. So now is the time. So this is all like within, you know, a few minutes, 5 minutes of each other. We are going to add our gnocchi to the pan right now. And the reason why we put the gnocchi into the hot pan is we want it to absorb all those flavors. We want to incorporate everything together so it will absorb some of that beautiful angry sauce that we made. Just like that. See how nice and thick it is? When you push it away, it leaves a line in the pan. That is the perfect consistency that we are looking for. Man, I wish you guys can smell this. Holy mackerel, it is so, oh, it smells so good. All right, so that's it. It doesn't take much for this meal. I'm gonna turn the fire down, off. We don't wanna burn it. All right, oh man, it's plating time. We gotta plate this sucker. All right, so now we are pretty much there, but to finish this off, we had 3 tablespoons of butter. We used 1 to get the garlic all nice. Now we're gonna add the last 2 tablespoons of butter. Melt that in there and just incorporate. That's gonna give the richness that we want to finish this off. Oh my goodness. Oh, Eleni, you're gonna love this.
I'm excited.
You're gonna love this. I'm taking the Greek to Italy right now. Calabria. Those peppers, those chili peppers. You can get them in any market. Cento is the brand that I use. Cento. Great, great. Oh my God, okay. All right, that butter is melted and incorporated. Oh my goodness. Look how yummy that looks. Okay, so we are going to get our lobster gnocchi in the bowl. I always drip on the bowl. I don't know why I always drip on the bowl, but I do. So good.
That looks awesome.
Our chunks of lobster. And then I'm going to, sorry, it's the chef in me. I gotta make sure the bowl looks good. Gotta get everything off. And then we're gonna finish it with a pinch of fresh parsley that we chopped up. I always keep a couple tablespoons aside. And there we have our lobster, angry lobster gnocchi.
You know, I'm just waiting for you to stop talking so I can eat, right?
Really? All right, well, I'm digging in then too. So you have a bite.
Okay.
Oh, she went right for the lobster. She didn't go for the gnocchi. How is it? Not as hot as you think it is, right? Even though it's a hot pepper,
good.
It's got a lot of flavor. It doesn't kill you with spice. So I'm gonna go in. Give me I'm gonna get a little lobster, a little gnocchi. I can't eat too much though, you know. Right, Jula? I can't eat too much. Don't worry.
That's for you, Jula.
I'm working on it, Jula. I'll lose the weight, don't you worry. I'm keeping it Mediterranean. Cousin Jula, you gotta love her. I love you.
Hi, Jula. I know.
It's just the right amount of heat. It's not, if you don't like hot stuff, I'm telling you, you're gonna love this. It doesn't kill you. It's just flavor. It's just a little bit right here. It doesn't burn your mouth. It is delicious. So, so, so good. I like this one. It's comfort
good.
food at its best. So you guys definitely need to try this one. All right, till next time, right? Up, up, up.
Don't like to eat on camera.
Uh-oh. She's leaving. She's going off camera to
on
eat.
camera.
Unbelievable. That's all right. I got some more here. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, click the bell, help promote us. Tell all your friends and family. There's just more coming. We're trying to get one out a week now. You guys are going to love it. Thank you so much for following us. Thank you for your support. She's back.
I want to say thank you too for all our supporters.
Yeah, we got supporters everywhere. We got people in Miami, Greece, everywhere. We're seeing all your comments. Make sure you make comments. We love to hear what you guys have to say.
Yes, one was for me to look at the camera more, so.
She's doing better there. So, like I said, we're only going to get better with each episode. I can't talk. With each episode. So, thank you so much again.
Yes, thank you so much.
We'll see you soon.
Definitely.
And remember, I almost forgot. Whatever you do, make sure you make it Mediterranean.
Yes.
Ciao.
Bye.